Lenses help us to see more. If we were to talk about an experience, staying conscious of what we will find will give us a lens of better understanding, because in the end, it's all about a combination of two factors: the result of checking breathing and the result of checking consciousness to be responsive. These two factors, combined in presence and absence, will give us two possible scenarios: breathing and responsive. Breathing but non-responsive, PLS. Responsive but not breathing. And the last and worst situation with most urgency, unresponsive and no breathing. Let's go doing CPR.